Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to edit your TikTok draft using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to launch your TikTok app and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And now you can see your drafts. So just go ahead and click on that and choose the draft that you want to edit. And now if you want to add a video or clip, just go ahead and click on the arrow at the upper left side of your screen and click continue recording. So now you can just go ahead and record a video that you want. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on check and next, and you can now post your video. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.